Hello everyone, welcome to our official. Today I am going to show how to enable WordPress website data layer. Are you looking to unlock the full potential of WordPress website data layer? Well, you are in luck. Enabling the data layer, you can supercharge your analytics and marketing efforts, providing you with invaluable insight about your visitor and their interactions. After this video, you can learn how to enable your WordPress website data layer and track your website traffic easily. So let's go to do it. Now I am on my Tag Manager account and this is my website backend. Okay. So now I am going to my Tag Manager and click on the tag code. Okay. Tag Manager code and copy here. You can see uh, uh, pasted the code as high in the head of the page as possible. So now I'm copying the code, JavaScript code, and go to the website backend and now I am go to the appearance to theme file editor. I'm click on here theme file editor. Okay, now I am going to the header section, header.php. So click on the header.php. You can see the right side and the mouse pointer here. So click on the header.php. Okay, I am now I'm here the header section and um, now I am go to the script JavaScript code and paste it here. Okay, I pasted here the JavaScript code. Okay, okay, already pasted the JavaScript code. You can see now update file. Okay, now click on update file. Okay, the file edit successful. So now I am going to my tag manager and go to preview mode and paste the website URL here our official. Okay, now I am copy the website URL and pasted here. Okay, and connected it. You see the deck has 10 already successfully connected here. So keep continue and you can see the everything I'm now doing. Now I'm going to my website and scroll the page and click on here. Already I have some tag trigger variable in my tag manager accounts already. Scrolling down and click some step add to cart and clicking on add to cart. You can see the data layer, you can see all data here, the scrolling data here. So successfully connected the website data layer. There is another way to enable your website data layer. So now I'm going to my website backend, the plugin option and install a plugin. So add new. I'm going to enable a plugin. So activate plugin. Okay, now I'm going to search GTM for WP. Okay, GTM for WP. Searching it. Okay, you can see the uh, plugin. So I'm activate. Okay, already installed the plugin and I am going to the setting option and go to the Google Tag Manager. Click on here. Okay. Okay, you can see the Google Tag Manager ID and now I am copy the Tag Manager ID here. Copying only Tag Manager ID copy here and going to the Tag Manager ID and paste it here and save change. Okay, click on here. Okay, already active the Google Tag Manager. Now I'm going to the Tag Manager account and preview it and connected the website. Okay, you see the already connected the data layer on your website and through Google Tag Manager. So all trigger automatically fire because I scroll it and view the product, and automatically you can see the trigger fire. So thank you for watching. I think this video is helpful for you. Allah Hafiz.